Üst kattan gelen çığlık seslerini duyan komşunun ihbarı üzerine kapıyı kırıp eve giren polisler, kilitli bir odada 3 küçük çocukla karşılaştı. Bara gidip çocuklarını odaya kilitleyen annenin bu sorumsuzluğu başına büyük belalar açacaktı.
This is Cleveland Police Dispatcher Catalana. Where do you need the police?
And I'm calling because I think the lady upstairs is not upstairs. She's got 3 kids, and they're screaming their heads off upstairs. And I don't think their mother is home. She's an unfit mother.
Like, you don't know if she has walked out, what time she could have left?
No, I have no idea. I just woke up with that kid screaming upstairs. I mean, they've been screaming for at least a half an hour screaming.
Okay, we're going to get the police out there to check on them.
Yeah, they have to go through the back second door for the upstairs door.
Okay. Yeah, I'm putting this in the assignment so they're aware.
Okay, thank you.
I don't hear anything.
Hi, did you call?
Yeah, I'm gonna call.
Okay.
These kids are screaming their heads off like she's not home. This thing
Are
she
we
does this a
positive
lot.
she's not home?
I don't think she's there. They're screaming their heads off. She's got 3 kids. And sometimes she takes off and leaves them alone. They're babies. They're babies in Pampers.
And there's no, as far as you know, there's nobody up there?
No, I don't think there's nobody up there.
Alright, because I know she's got a younger brother because I wrote him tickets.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, they're screaming their heads off like there's nobody up there. I mean, how you can leave 3
Not
kids?
just like normally screaming, just let them scream it
They're
out and fall
screaming,
asleep.
screaming. You know, you
Where
figure
do you hear
somebody
it
would
from?
be up. I can hear from the bathroom upstairs.
Alright, because I know I got a little one. When she cries, I'll let her sit there for 45 minutes until she
Yeah,
falls
but
herself
this is
asleep.
constantly happening.
Whoa.
This is not normal.
Yeah, I don't hear anything.
Cleveland Police!
İçeride biri var mı diye seslenen polis, birazdan sadece seslenmekle kalmayacak, içeri girmek için kapıyı kırmayı deneyecek.
She's gonna have to let us in her house and take us to where she hears this.
Yeah, because I don't hear anything. I think now I'm hearing a little bit.
We're not getting any answer. Can you take us to where you can hear it at?
You can actually hear them upstairs. This is a
Is
door.
there another entrance to up there?
That's closed. But you can hear the kids actually from there.
You said you hear them good from your bathroom?
Yeah, I can hear them like from here, this room. You hear them like from upstairs. He doesn't answer the door. Nobody answers the door.
I don't hear one right now.
I mean, I hope she's not up there drugged up or something. There's no way. That's completely sealed.
Yeah, if you have a boss who's not here, we're not getting no answer for that upstairs, and we can hear the children crying from the downstairs unit.
Yeah.
Can you hear it up there?
Yeah, clear as day, yeah. You can hear him.
Let's go. Let me see. So what does this door go to?
That door actually goes. It's like an entrance for their house.
But
You
is
know,
it
it's an
like locked
entrance
shut?
there, but it's
But it's
closed
completely
because it's a
sealed.
second apartment. So
So
that's
this won't
completely
open?
sealed. No.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hey, it's the police. Can you hear me? We're gonna go kicking in their door.
Doors can be locked back there.
Yeah, it's locked.
Usually she leaves it open.
I'll get my supervisor here and go from there, but we might end up kicking in that door. What kind of car does she drive?
Oh, that's her car right there. That's her car. It's expired plates. She can't drive it.
Cleveland police, come to the door! Come to the door, I might be kicking it in! Is she a white, black, Hispanic woman?
She hardly speaks any English. I mean, I find her kids outside walking through alleys in the morning. Little kids.
And there's no other entrance to that apartment besides that door. Who's
There's
the
no
landlord?
other entrance unless I call the landlord.
Where's the landlord?
Well, he's got to be home in his house.
Where's
He
that
lives
at?
on 88th on Lorraine.
Can you try to get a hold of him,
I could try to call him, see if he answers.
please?
I'll do that.
It's like they're back there somewhere.
Yeah, no, they're back in there. There's a window over here that looks like it's covered.
Yeah, I think that one.
They're probably back in there. Cause the only one that's covered, like that's open from both
That's the
sides.
little boy crying.
Yeah. I was gonna wait till you're back here before I start kicking.
Cleveland police, open the door, I'm kicking it in! Adam, 3-1, we're inside. Cleveland police! Cleveland police! Cleveland police! Hello? Cleveland police! Is anybody in here? Cleveland police! Hello? They got the door latched. Are you kidding me? Check that.
This goes upstairs, but there's a mattress in the way.
Hello? Hello? Are you okay? Are you okay? Adam 3-1 radio. Are you okay, bud? Are you okay?
Oh, hey, bud.
Adam 3-1 radio. Can you get EMS come out here and check on 3 toddlers, please? They're all awake and conscious. Ages 2 to 4. No adults. They were locked in their room with a latch on the outside of the door. It smells terrible in here.
It's real bad.
Guys, do you got clothes? Can you put some clothes on? Can you please? Can you put some clothes on? Jesus. Jesus.
Just make sure she's not like, yeah.
Hey guys, can you put some clothes on? Contact 696 kids. Get them out here.
Roger.
Hey, English? Any English? No? No English? Are you guys okay? Huh? Can you talk to me, please? Are you guys okay? Where's your mom? Can you put some clothes on? Do you have some clothes to put on? Okay. Can you help your mother too? Huh?
Hello?
Stop! Stop!
What's up?
We're
Bir anda ortaya çıkıp sanki hiçbir şey yaşanmamış gibi davranan bu anneye dikkat edin. Siz olsanız ona ne derdiniz? Yorumlara yazın.
Where have you been?
My
Step out here.
here.
Is
Oops,
this
sorry,
your
bud.
house?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Why is these kids home alone?
My sister
Hello?
here.
No.
What
No
is
sister.
Really?
No sister. Oh,
Hello,
oh,
hello,
oh, hey, come here.
Hey,
Come here.
You're gonna have to wait out.
Hey,
Hey, ma'am.
Wait.
You're gonna wait out here.
Over here.
Wait.
I don't know who you are yet. No.
Let me see my
Hold on.
kids.
Relax.
please.
Relax.
Oh my God,
Relax.
no.
Where'd she come from?
What?
She just popped up out of nowhere.
Let
Stop.
me see my
I told you to
kids.
stop. You weren't worried about your kids when you locked them in the bedroom and you took off, were
Let me
you?
see my kids. Please.
Yeah. You got ID?
My here. My
Where's your
sister
ID?
Here.
No, your sister's not here. No one's here.
Nobody's here.
Just the
That's your
kids.
three kids.
Where's your ID?
Where's your ID? Where is it?
Oh my God.
In your room? Listen.
I'm in the
You're gonna push my buttons. Relax. You're gonna listen to me, and I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. Where's your ID? Okay. Well,
They were locked in that room.
what's your name?
Okay.
Liz.
You smell like you've been drinking. You just come from the bar. Where you at? Benny's?
Yeah.
Are these
Yeah.
your kids?
Yeah.
Are these your kids? All right, you know what?
Yeah. She's.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait.
Put your hands-
Let me see my
No,
kids.
relax.
Your kids are fine.
Wait.
Stop.
Wait.
Take it.
Stop
Take
right
it.
now.
Please.
Relax.
Right now.
Relax.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please. Let me see my kids.
Your kids are fine. We're taking care
No,
of them
let
now
me
because you
see.
can't.
Let me see. Let me
Do not turn your
Here,
face.
give me some light.
What's up?
Right.
Gotcha.
see. Let me see.
No, you're not
No.
gonna see them.
Please.
Your kids are fine. We're taking care of them now. All right, you need to relax.
Oh my God, no. Please.
No, stop.
Please.
Stop.
Daniel.
Hey,
Tell him to get dressed. Can you tell him to put some clothes on?
I'll take care of it.
Please.
All right.
Please.
We're gonna take
Get her
her
out
out.
there.
One
Yeah.
second,
Come on.
please.
Walk.
Please.
Come on.
Walk.
No,
One sec.
Look, you walk or I'm gonna have to walk you. I'd rather you walk yourself. Come on.
Oh my God.
Hey, try to, once you get her info,
Let
see
me
if there's a family
Damn
member.
it. Oh, wait.
You know.
Try that first.
Let me
469.
see,
Okay.
dress.
Come on. Walk.
Maybe
You gotta go. You gotta go outside. Come outside.
Walk. All you gotta do is listen right.
Memurlar çocukları güvenli bir şekilde evden çıkardı. Anne gözaltına alınarak karakola götürüldü. 3 küçük çocuğunu odaya kilitleyip bara gitmesi, dosyasındaki çocuk ihmali ve tehlikeye atma suçlamalarını en ağır kategoriye taşıdı. Olayla ilgili soruşturma sürerken annenin yargılama sürecinin önümüzdeki günlerde başlaması bekleniyor.